Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale project management with Asana, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin scaling project management with Asana, first, create your Asana account. Visit the Asana website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your email and password. Once registered, choose a workspace or create a new one. Familiarize yourself with the Asana dashboard. Next, create your first project. Click on the Projects tab in the sidebar. Select New Project and choose a blank project or one of the templates. Name your project and set its privacy settings. Add tasks to your project by clicking on Add Task. For each task, assign a name, due date, and team member responsible for it. Organize tasks into sections by clicking on Add Section. This keeps your project structured and easy to navigate. Next, utilize Asana's timeline feature. Click on the Timeline tab to see your project's tasks in a visual format. This helps in tracking project progress and deadlines. As you progress, update tasks by marking them as complete. To enhance team collaboration, use the comments section in each task. Encourage team members to share updates and feedback directly within Asana. Integrate Asana with other tools your team uses. Navigate to the integration settings to connect apps like Slack or Google Drive. Establish a regular review process for your projects. Schedule weekly check-ins to discuss progress and address any roadblocks. Consider creating templates for recurring projects. This saves time and ensures consistency across your work. Finally, monitor your team's workload using Asana's reporting tools. These insights help you make informed decisions on resource allocation. With these steps, you can effectively scale project management in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.